I just discovered the AI tool that made my friend's TikTok blow up, and honestly, I'm kicking myself for not finding it sooner. If you want to grab the same discount I got, click the link in the description below. Trust me, you'll thank me later. So here's what happened. My friend, Sarah, was struggling with her content like the rest of us. You know the drill. Spending hours manually typing captions, trying to time them perfectly, and let's be honest, probably making a few typos along the way. Then she discovered Submagic, and everything changed. This AI tool literally went from 0 to $1 million in revenue in just 90 days. And no, that's not a typo. Here's why it's actually genius. Instead of spending your entire Sunday afternoon hunched over your laptop typing captions, Submagic does it automatically. The AI analyzes your video, generates accurate captions, and even makes them look good with different styles and animations. But here's the kicker. It's not just about saving time. The founder, David, built this because even as an experienced video editor, he found captioning tedious and time-consuming. So they made it stupid simple. You upload your video, the AI works its magic, and boom! You've got professional-looking captions that actually help your content perform better. We're talking about captions that are timed perfectly, look engaging, and help your videos reach more people. The best part? It works for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, basically anywhere you're posting short-form content. And since Sarah started using it, her engagement has gone through the roof. Look, I'm not saying this tool will magically make you viral overnight. But when you're not spending hours on captions, you can actually focus on creating better content. And that's when the magic happens. So, if you're tired of the caption struggle, grab that discount link in the description. Your future self will definitely thank you.